What's up, weirdos? So I love to watch the convenience store videos for one, but also I love to watch the vending machine videos that are on YouTube that are from different countries. And so I thought I might do one for the United States, at least in my state of Oklahoma. And in Oklahoma, vending machines are usually at hospitals, big work offices, college campuses or universities. And I came up with some last night and I can't remember now. But anyways, if you're from the United States and you can remember where in Oklahoma most vending machines are, yeah. Oh, and schools, like primary schools. Yeah. Anyways, yeah. Tell them down in the comments, because I can't. My brain is not braining today. So, all right. I'm gonna take you along with me. So come on. I want to know something crazy. I've never had an Uncrustable. So when I saw that in the vending machine, I was like, well, I need some protein. So why not? It has peanut butter in it, for those that don't know. Weird question. Do they always taste like stale sandwiches, or is it just this one? The bread is kind of hard. Is that normal? I don't know. And got some Gardettos. Who likes these ones? These are my favorite. A breadstick. And a pretzel stick. I haven't had a peach crush in a long time. Just how I remembered it. Such a good peachy drink. First thing I got was this granola bar. Sunbelt Bakery granola bars are my favorite, so yummy, yummy, yummy. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed that vending machine video. And as always, I love you. Peace out. Bye. Like and subscribe. Stay weird.